Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of this particular Tandberg Model 15 mono tape recorder. The Tandberg Model 15 was introduced in 1968 as a successor to the earlier tube-based machines, the Models 8 and 9. This was Tandberg's first mono transistorized machine. I'm going to run through a couple of features just quickly. Switch it on, zero the tape counter, let's put a reel of tape on, and put the function selector in the free position in order to allow the reels to turn freely. Here, zero the counter properly, there we go. And I'm going to make a small test recording using this microphone, the Tandberg TM4, which was the microphone of choice for this machine. And if you note, if you can see, I don't know if you can see on the video that the needle in the recording level indicator, which lights up to show that the machine is recording, is moving to indicate that there's a signal present and is now being recorded on tape. I can monitor the recording signal by turning up the output volume, but it will create a bit of a squeal after a while if the level is too high, as you get acoustic feedback between the microphone and the loudspeaker. I can pause the recording using the pause button, let it go, wind the tape back, listen to it. Is moving to indicate that there's a signal present and is now being recorded on tape. I can wind it back and make a recording on the other available channel. Being a 4-track machine, this machine has 2 tracks on each side of the tape, so I can record make 2 completely different recordings on the 2 tracks. In Tandberg parlance, this track is called Extra, which is track 3 on this side of the tape. And winding it back, I can record 2 completely different recordings on the 2 tracks. And if I put the track selector switch in the duo position, after a while, in Tandberg parlance, this track is called Extra, features track. I can listen to both recordings at the same time. The machine also features bass and treble controls, and has an amplifier position whereby I can actually just amplify the recording, the microphone signal, which would be using it as a public address system, quite simply, or by connecting a record player or radio to the external inputs on the back, I could advance this control and have it amplify and play back a recording made on a record player. The machine has 3 speeds. 3 standard speeds. I've been recording it at 3 3/4. If I play back this recording at a lower speed, sounds like a lion's roar, and if I go to the higher speed, it sounds a bit like the chipmunks. Winding speed is pretty high on this machine. It's got quite a powerful motor compared to earlier versions. And the final feature I want to show is the end stop feature, whereby the machine stops automatically if there's no tape in it, which is something important to remember if you're testing a machine like this. Do test it with tape in the machine or the motor will not run and you might think it's faulty. Okay, there you have it, the Tandberg Model 15 mono tape recorder from 1968. Although this particular machine, I should note, was actually built in 1974. They manufactured this machine with very little changes over the production run for perhaps even 10 or more years. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.